Aww. So today, here's just an update on how Mango's doing. She's okay. We're keeping her outside in a little pen, but so yeah, she's doing okay. I mean, she used to be back all the way over there, but I guess she moved. We're gonna be building something else inside here, and replacing that gravel with hay, so then this thing's not bulging out of here. What are you doing? Okay. Hi, Petal Poo. Petal. Chicken. Hi. Sticking the camera in here. Oh, I can't see her. There we go. Hi, chicken. Hi. Aww, she's so pretty. Maple's pecking me. A silly chicken. That's okay though, her pecks don't hurt. Oh my god, Petal! Beatrice, no! Petal, no! They're attacking me! Oh, chickens. No, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Nope. No. No! No! Oh. But anyway, Mango is still limping, but she's okay, I guess. Hasn't really changed too much. I literally spent an hour and a half yesterday with the towel laying in the coop with her, because I don't want to leave her. Chicky. What are you doing? Stop trying to get me in the back. No. So I guess I should end the— Ow! My god, Petal! Ow! Hey, that's right. Stop it. That hurt. Petal, why do you peck so hard? No. Stop it. What's wrong? I don't know what's wrong with her. Hi, Penelope. Well, I better wrap this up because, oh my gosh, look at how many water dots she has. I guess we should say goodbye to Mango. Wish her luck. I'm gonna stay out here a little more, but I'm gonna end the video. Bye, Chickie!